What is up, Bakersfield? Today we are here doing a complete house cleanup. Some evicted tenants. They were just evicted, and the homeowner is now wanting to go ahead and get the whole home cleaned up, fixed up, and ready for the next renters. Man, it sucks when renters don't care and just trash the place. Feel bad for the homeowners. This is what it's looking like though. It's looking like it's gonna be a full trailer load of just complete trash. This place was not taken care of at all. Take a look at that. Let me take y'all around over here. Check this out, man. Just completely trashed. The entrance. Everything in here is going as well. And other than that, that's basically it. It's gonna be a complete load in our trailer. If you need any junk removal, any help with evicted tenants or house boarding, give us a call at 661-282-7085. We will talk to you soon. Thank you. Let me give you a tour of how it came out. So this is the garage right here. Back to being cleared out. Here's the kitchen. Disposed of everything that was inside these cabinets. Nice and clean. Here's the living room, the second living room, and the entrance. Closet's empty. Here's the bedroom. Mattress is gone. The furniture pieces are out. Closet is all cleared up as well. That's about it. The house is all looking all cleaned up and ready to be back on the market. Let me show you guys the backyard. Before I wrap it up here, everything out of there is cleared up, as well as this back room here. If you remember, this room was completely trashed as well. And here's the backyard. If you need any junk removal, any house eviction cleanouts, any hoarder cleanouts, give us a call at 661-282-7085. Thank you. We'll see you soon.